In this video, we will see how to use income expense tracker to record our day-to-day financial data. I have attached the link of this file in the comments so you can check out from there. Let's get started. When you open the Excel file, you can see the four tabs are there. So first we need to do a quick setup, then we are ready to enter our data. So first in the home tab, you can see the instructions are there. So we need to add the entry in this H column. So this can be the entry like our salary, and this can be our income source, and we can add other entries like our food expense, travel, travel, rent, etc. So whatever entries you will add here, this will be reflected in the description section. So you need not to remember every time. So just you need to fill out in this and you are ready to. So you can add also later on. So later on if you want to add something like for the fuel cost, so you can add these things in the description. And first is the home tab that you initially need to set up with the description. You can add later on also. Next, you can find in the data tab. So this sheet is particularly for 2023. So whichever year you are doing, so you can start from there. Suppose I want to add for 22. So I just need to change that entry and I need to drag it down because the formula is already applied there. So what this formula is doing, so this formula is my subtracting your income from your expenses. Okay, so this way. So suppose if you want to add below this entry, so you need to put 1 1 20 24. So this way you can drag it down. You can see the instruction. So whatever month you want, you just need to add the starting date of it, and later on you can drag it down this way. So this way I have created this sheet to till 2025. So this way you can create the sheet, so whatever year you want. So it is one time setup. Suppose you are starting this sheet from 2023, so you can add it there. And if you want for 24 also, you just need to drag it down. Formula also drag it down accordingly. So these two things you need to do the initial setup. Okay, let's come back to the home tab. So this is the sheet which you find initially in this. So let's understand what these fields are doing. So suppose you want to add some entries. So suppose on 1st of December 2023 you got a salary. Okay, and this salary, so there is also we have taken one consideration. Maybe sometimes by mistake you have entered something else which is not a number. So it will let you know the warning that you need to enter numbers only. Okay, so here I am entering my salary. So now we have a two nice beautiful buttons, so we can select the category accordingly. So this thing I want in the income section. So you can see I just enter the details, the date, the description which is from the H column, and the amount, and I clicked on the income button, so it has gone. So now where do I find, where is my entry gone? You can see in the data tab. In this is the entry. And why it is useful, you can view your data as well. Maybe by mistake you have entered 10,000 but your actual salary is 12,000, so you can change it from there also. Okay, similar way we can add the expenses. So 1st of December I want to add my expense in food category as 500 rupees, so I can. So same way it will reflect in the expense section. So basically what our home tab is doing, so it is the initial data source where you can input all your entries. So just with these two buttons you can categorize where you want your data, either in your expense section or in your income section. And in this data tab you can see this categorization, the expense, the income, and your saving. So this is the savings for 1st of December 23, 12,000 minus 500, it is 11,500. And other than this you can see there are two sheets also, pivot tables and dashboard. Let's check the dashboard section. So here you can see initially all things are blank, nothing is there. Okay, so but you already imputed your data, so how, when it will reflect? So for that you need to go to pivot table section. So whenever you are doing any entry, you just need to click this refresh button. Okay, once that refresh button is clicked, now you can able to see the entries in your dashboard. Okay, so in this dashboard you can see there is a categorization, income section, savings and expenses. So this way you will get a beautiful dashboard. For saving the time, I have quickly made some entries so that you will be able to understand how this dashboard works. So I have added some entries, and on the pivot table I have refreshed the data. So now my dashboard look like this. So first I have the expense dashboard. So in this we have three types of filter. First is the category based filter. So if you want to know how much rupees you have spent it on the rent total, so you just need to click on rent and you can see every month 5,000 is there, so total 25,000 you have given in your rent. Similar way, if you want to check for monthly basis, so already it is showing based on the months, so you can filter out there. And we have a year filter, so I have made two entries for 24. So for 2024 I have made these two entries, so that is why it is showing Jan and Feb. So this way you can filter out. And there is one more feature in this, that is currently it is showing monthly view, so you can switch it to category view. Now it is switched to category view, so now you can see your total 27,000 expense is in which category. So it is showing rent 25,000. So here this monthly filter you can work on. Like if you want to check, I want to check for year 23, I want to see in November month how much I have spent and in which category. So this way you will get your relevant data. Similar way, for savings will be your income minus expense. So you can see here right now it is showing complete your total saving 43,000. It is from different years, so you can filter out based on year. I want to see for 2023, you can see this. If you want to check for particular month, I want to check for November month how much I have saved. So this way you can filter out as per your data. And last, the income section. So this also shows you month wise and in which category. Right now I have only salary as an income source, so it will show me my salary. So same way you can filter out on year as well as month. So this dashboard you can work accordingly, what are your requirements, according to that you can filter out your data. So basically in summary, what we need to do, whenever you open your file, first you need to add your description. Whatever it is you can change it later on as per your requirement. Go to data tab, according to the year you can select the year for which you want. This is the one time setup you need to do, and then with the help of this home tab you can make the entries, enter the date, the description you can select from there, and amount you can select in which category, income or expense. Once your data is entered, you just need to go to pivot table, click on refresh. It will refresh the data and that will show on your dashboard. So on that you can analyze on your own. Like you want to category wise analyze, you want month wise analyze. So this way this sheet will help you. Hope you are able to understand how this sheet will work, and let me know if anything is there in the comment section. Thank you.